Okay, good afternoon, everyone. It is Thursday afternoon, fourth period here at KIT Iizuka, June 26th. This is English 7D, class number 11, so we don't have many more classes. Before I forget, one important thing is next week on July 3rd, we have to choose partners one more time for the final test. So next week is very important. Please make sure you come. If you know somebody who is not here today, please tell them next week we choose partners, so please come. Make sure that you come on that day. Let's get back to this week. Nothing too heavy this week, I don't think. Basically the same thing. You have a listening quiz and you have a reflection. Good, okay. You have a listening quiz and a reflection. Also, your walking video is going to be next week here at on July 3rd. So I prepared for you this week this video. Okay? And this is a video about what to do to make sure that your videos are better. Some of you made some very basic mistakes. Number one, you were holding your video standing up. Bad idea. This is not TikTok. I want you to make a movie, so make sure you hold your video up like this. Some of you held it down, hold it up, okay? Some of you held it too close to your face because you were trying to read some notes. I can tell. And if you look at your results, I will tell you, you were reading notes. Don't do that. Give me your natural English. The best way to get your best grades is to use your natural English. Now, for assignments, okay, you have, just your listening quiz, number 4. That's due on July 6th. Again, you always have 3 chances to do your best score, and your reflection. But this reflection, like all reflections, is due on Friday at 11 p.m. So please make sure you don't forget that. Again, one more time, next week on July 3rd, we'll be choosing our partners. So please make sure that you come. If you have any questions about anything, please contact me at jdmcruz@gmail.com. Otherwise, come and talk to me here, and let's have a good class, everyone.